Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and I want to show you how to change audio balance on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings. In it we look for accessibility option where we have our hearing. Now we swipe down and there we have our audio balance. In the connected audio and phone speakers we can easily change it, tap to the left, tap to the right or the middle, what you want. The same story with phone speakers, we can tap there on right or on the middle. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!